So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is JB23 vlog. So for today's video guys, I would like to share on how to measure the cylinder liner bore of the diesel generator engine. This is Yanmar guys. So this PMS has to be done in every 10,000 hours, or it depends on maker's instruction or in the instruction book or the special instruction from the company is PMS. So as you can see guys, in this video guys, we measure from the top dead center guys, in which it has to be measured from port side to starboard side and forward to aft. So normally this is from exhaust side and the camshaft side of the generator. Now we are the starboard to port side. So as you can see guys, we locate where is the biggest clearance. It has to be in the biggest clearance. We have to check the biggest clearance guys. So we are using the inner micrometer. So this is the micrometer guys for measuring or for calibration of cylinder liner guys. So it has to be like that. So there is certain points on measurement guys. For this generator engine, there is 6 points of measurement. As you can see guys, we already measure from other cylinders. So this cylinder is number 4. So this measurement guys has to be done after cleaning the cylinder walls, after honing also guys. If there is a honing material, you can hone the cylinder liner when you overhaul this one guys. So it has to be located in some points where there is guide. There is a guide hole guys. So first of all, you have to put a mark, so for your reference, and then mount the micrometer. You have to find the biggest clearance guys. That's the biggest clearance. That's the clearance of the cylinder liner. So what is the reason why we have to check this one guys? So for the reason that we must know, as an engineer, we should know the actual clearance of our cylinder liner. Otherwise it will have many adverse effect, or it can cause badly to our engine guys. One of those is too much oil consumption, too much blow by of the engine, and loss of power. So many factors. It will be many results once the cylinder liner is oversized, or the bore has exceeded its clearance guys. So in this situation guys, the bore of this cylinder liner is 180 millimeter. So this is in our inspection, the result is just the clearance is 0.36 to 0.38, the maximum clearance of this. So this is 11-year-old engine guys, so the clearance is not just too much. So every PMS, even if you overhaul the cylinder cover, when you have access on the checking of cylinder liner clearance, then you have to do it. you don't have to wait until the 10,000 hours, because the cylinder cover has to be done every 5,000 hours, or based upon the maker's instruction, guys. So I hope you learned something about this video, guys, and when you have any questions regarding marine engineering topic, you can suggest for some video, guys, and I'm always willing and ready to help marine engineers when you want to learn some of the techniques on marine engineering. Of course, guys, I'm an engineer aspiring, any aspiring engineers there. And until here, thank you for watching. Bye bye.